Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Smartphone World. Back in 2015, Oneplus launched their first budget mid-range smartphone, the Oneplus X, which did not sell quite well like other smartphones. Eventually, Oneplus moved away from mid-range smartphone segment to premium smartphone segment where they have achieved greater success. After 5 years, it looks like Oneplus decided to give one more shot at the mid-range smartphone segment. The OnePlus 8 Lite will get a 90Hz refresh rate flat AMOLED display, 48MP triple camera, 4000mAh battery and 30W warp charging support. The specs listed in this video are based on leaks from popular tipsters /leaks, a reputed leaker, but I would suggest you to take the information with a pinch of salt. The phone will feature an all-new 6.4-inch Full HD Plus 90Hz refresh rate flat AMOLED display. However, the major concern for me is OnePlus decided to opt for punch hole cutout to house the selfie camera. The phone looks like an exact replica of Galaxy S11 series. The difference among the three models is that 8 Lite will have center punch hole display, whereas OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro will have left punch hole display. The OnePlus 8 Lite will get vertically aligned triple camera setup at the back with an ugly rectangle cutout to house the camera sensors. The device will get the same 48MP Sony IMX586 as primary sensor like the OnePlus 7 series. Additionally, we get 16MP ultra-wide lens and 12MP telephoto lens. At the front, you will get the same 16MP selfie snapper tucked inside the punch hole. OnePlus 8 Lite will be powered by MediaTek's flagship chipset, the Dimensity 1000, which will be on par with Snapdragon 865 in terms of performance. Dimensity 1000 crushes Snapdragon 865 in benchmark, surpasses Snapdragon 855 Plus, and almost matches Snapdragon 865 in benchmark scores. The OnePlus 8 Lite will have 8GB of RAM, and you have option to choose between 128 or 256GB internal storage options. OnePlus 8 Lite and regular OnePlus 8 will get IP53 rating for dust and water resistant, whereas the Pro model will get IP67 rating. The device will run Android out of the box with Oxygen OS on top. To compensate the power-hungry 90Hz display, OnePlus opted for 4000mAh battery, which should offer 1-day battery life. The device will support 30W warp charging technology. On paper, the OnePlus 8 Lite looks solid, but the deciding factor will be the price. Based on the leaks, OnePlus 8 Lite base variant will be priced around 30,000, which in my opinion is definitely not a budget mid-range smartphone price. If OnePlus can launch the Lite version under 25,000, then we have a solid contender in mid-range smartphone segment. The OnePlus 8 series will launch in India on first half of 2020, but I don't know the exact launch date. Once I get to know the date, I will update the information in the comment section. I have already made a separate videos talking about the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. Please do check the video. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech and gaming videos. As always, do what you love no matter what the outcome is. I'll catch you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.